Today on Chloe's Inbox. Hi, Chloe. My husband and I were married for 17 years. We both shared three children ages 19, 17, and 9. Prior to that, we were all living in UAE, and then 2 years ago, my children and I came back to the Philippines for face-to-face studies, leaving my husband in the UAE. Then, last December, my husband sponsored us to have our vacation to be spent in UAE. There, I discovered many things I didn't notice before when we were all still together. First, I found a condom plastic in our bed. Then I discovered some photos of my husband spending sweet time together. Then, coming back to Manila, I just discovered photos of him having sex with a male partner. It crushed my heart seeing those pictures which took place in 2018, the year when we were still in UAE. He was cheating on me since long time. He was cheating on me since 2018. And what shall I do po? It's already affecting my mental health. I don't know if I can still continue with our marriage. Truth is, trust is lost because I feel so betrayed. Please hide my identity as two of the relatives is following your program. Letter sender, Connie. Hi, Connie. Thank you for choosing Chloe's Inbox to air your story or to somehow air your angst about what you're going through right now. You have just learned about it, okay? Wala pa kayong pag-uusap na nangyayari, hindi niya pa alam. So, sa ngayon, there's so much chaos inside you, especially in your heart and in your mind. To be perfectly honest, para sa akin, I think it's non-negotiable. Okay? At least for me. Hindi ko alam sa iba. I think what you can do right now is let him know what you found out. It's very important na ipaalam mo sa kanya kung ano ang nalaman mo. Para malaman mo kung anong sasabihin niya, kung anong magiging reason niya. Hihingi ba siya ng tawad? Magsisisi ba siya? Paninindigan niya ba to? So let him know what you found out. Let him know how it's making you feel, that it's making you sick to your stomach. And ask him what his plans are sa'yo at sa mga anak mo para sa pagsasama nyo. Okay? Because I think it's unfair on your part, lalo na if you two are still intimate. There's a risk of you getting sick of a sexually transmitted disease. Okay? If it's also, which is already happening, affecting your mental health, you have all the right, you have all the reason to end your relationship with him. It's not selfish. It's, I don't know, what do you call it? Pagmamahal at respeto sa sarili. Okay? Or maybe you can still stay with him and just accept him for what he is. Pwede naman, may mga nag-workout naman ng ganon kung kaya mo. Pwede namang magkasama pa rin kayo, mag-asawa pa rin kayo, pero may kanya-kanya na kayong buhay. Hindi kasi pwedeng may kahati eh. Babae man o lalaki. So you just have to decide. Okay? At least for yourself and for the good of your children. Papasok na naman dito yung maaari kang magsakripisyo para buo ang pamilya ninyo. Pero deep inside, araw-araw ka namang namamatay. Araw-araw kang pinapatay ng nararamdaman mo. So, pray for it. Kasi kung masabi mo sa kanya at mapag-usapan nyo to, I think it will all depend kung anong sasabihin niya pag nalaman mo. Maaring magsisi, maaring isave niya ang relationship nyo, ang marriage nyo kung importante ang pamilya niya, sa kanya, ang pamilya ninyo. maaari din namang i-let go ka. So you also just have to be ready kung ano man ang magiging reaction niya kapag nalaman niya na alam mo na. At maging ready ka sa kung ano man ang magiging decision niya. Okay? I hope nakatulong ako and sana malampasan mo ang pinagdadaanan mo to. Pray harder. Pray hard. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Because, alam mo yun, pag walang-wala na tayo, ubus na tayo, dun mo marirealize that God is all you need and that God is enough. Sa Kanya pa lang, makakahanap ka na ng sagot. Sa pananalangin, sa pagko-communicate sa Kanya. Kasi mahirap kung sasabihin mo pa to sa ibang tao. Madja-judge ka. Pero sa Kanya pwede mong sabihin lahat-lahat. And I know, when you talk to Him directly through prayer, malalaman mo kung ano ang dapat mong gawin. Maiintindihan mo at maririnig mo kung ano ang magiging sagot niya sa'yo. Okay? So God bless you, Miss Connie. And I do hope na sana ay malampasan mo tong pinagdadaanan mong to.
Hey, thanks for watching!
For more exclusive videos and
Artist interviews, you can check out our videos by clicking here. And don't forget to follow us
on our social media accounts too.
Links are in the description below.